Hey guys, it's me Kelly and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I got a package from Stylevana. I'm super excited to open this. This is Korean Beauty. Also, ignore my skin. My skin's a bit rough right now. Like, I got a lot of pimples going on because school has been very stressful, but now it's Thanksgiving break and I get to relax and film a video again. So sorry for that little hiatus, I guess, in my posting schedule. I did not have time to edit, so yeah. But let's get into the video and open this package up. Okay, so what did I get? Okay, this is Jewel Potent Eye Glitter. This is a cleansing oil. Oh my gosh, I actually needed one. I'm running out. And this is a cute little eyeshadow palette. It's the One Shot Eye Palette by Chica Y Chico. And the colors are so cute. Finally, I got sunscreen. This is Japanese, not Korean, but I'm going to link all of these products down below. And you could use my code, I'll put it right here, for 10% off, I think. I'm not really sure, but you get some money off. So I'm just gonna do base makeup with the makeup I have, since they only sent me these two products, that like makeup products to use. I'm gonna swatch these later when I get to them, but for now I'm going to just do makeup, not really how I normally do it. I kind of want to do a Korean style to go with the whole K-beauty theme. And one of the trends is to do straight brows. Not sure how this is gonna turn out, but I'm just gonna try something. Okay, I think that's straight enough. I'm gonna use concealer to make it like straighter, I guess. I'm gonna use like this hydrating concealer just because it's new. Got it from e.l.f. I bought it, they didn't send it to me or anything. Gonna cover my pimples while I'm at it. I shopped online for like this concealer and it's not my shade, it's like orange. I'm really bad at picking my shade online. Like, look at this. I think I'm darker than I actually am. Well, time for foundation, I guess. I used to have one of those BB cushion things that Korean people have, but I gave it to my mom. Okay, I'm gonna put on a little bit of concealer just to brighten up my face. Oh, this is very bright. A little too bright. Whoa, that's like, I got the wrong shade of this too. I should have gone a little darker. Yeah, I feel like this look is a bit too cakey for Korean makeup because they're more natural. I brightened way too much. I'm gonna just keep on blending, it'll get a little better. I'm going to do a tiny bit of contour. This blush from Milani, very good. It's very it's very like creamy and like oily, but it's not oily. It doesn't feel oily on your skin. So I'm just gonna blend this in. So I guess all that's left is eyes, lips, and highlighter. First off, I'm going to just spray my face to set it. I'm not going to set it with powder just because I want to maintain like that dewiness. And I don't know if that's a good idea to not put powder, but I'm going to take this off after this video, so it's not like I need it to be long lasting. This setting spray smells so good. Okay, and I have my Korean fan. I know a lot of Korean people use lip stain, and lip tint, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna go with pink lip gloss because that's also very cute and nice. Highlighting, not too much. Going on my forehead too. Korean people have really good skin, so I just want to look glowing. I actually don't know if I like the pink lip gloss with this look. I might want to do something a little less, or just like take some more. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, now time for the eyes, and I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette, but here are the shades. I'm going to swatch them all. So this one is called Cotton Candy. Put it right here. And this one is called Sparkling Eye. Now we have Fresh Peach Flower. There it is. The pigmentation on these aren't great, but that's like totally fine because this is Korean beauty and that's the way they usually do their makeup, like very natural. So that was Dusty Wind, and this color is Best Selfie. And the last one is Chocolate Cake. Okay, so we have this eye glitter and Retro Ruby. So it's that. It's really pretty, very shiny. I really like this color. I'm just putting this all over my lid. And then I'm getting the darker shade. I'm putting it in the outer corner. I'm getting the lightest shade, and I'm just blending out the edges on the top. Okay, and then I'm getting the darkest shade, like very concentrated on the outer edge. And then I'm getting this shimmer shade and putting it in my inner corner. I'm getting a really tiny brush and getting the peach color and putting it under my eye too. Blend it out with the light brown. And then I'm going to go into the shimmery peach shade and go in like the inner portion underneath my eye. And then I'm going to take my eye glitter and I'm just going to go in the middle of my eyelid. And then using a finger to just blend it out. That kind of took off shadow. If you see, I don't know if you could tell, all the eyeshadow underneath kind of fell off. Maybe you're not supposed to blend these, you just kind of put it on. Okay, I'm gonna make it into like a half-cut face, you know, like just put it in half. Okay, I think that works. It's a little messy, not gonna lie. I just realized I should have put on colored contacts because I'm pretty sure a lot of Korean people wear colored contacts. Okay, so I have my gray contacts in. I was just looking more closely at my eyeshadow and it's literally breaking up on my eyelids and it's taking off all of the shadow underneath and it's just very patchy. Now I'm going to do eyeliner because even though I usually don't do eyeliner, there's like some Korean style of eyeliner that I want to try. It's like where you don't like do a cat eye, you kind of bring it down. I'm pretty sure that's Korean. Either it's Korean or Japanese, but yeah, no, this was not a good idea. Okay, I fixed it a little bit. This is what it looks like. I feel like it's too big, but that's because I made a mistake and just keep on going. I'm gonna do the other eye now. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get. I feel like this is not how Korean people do their makeup. I like this wing better than this wing. And also, I don't know if I mentioned this or if it's obvious, but I am Korean. I just don't really know the makeup styles because I do very Western makeup, if you couldn't tell. So now I'm gonna put on some eyelashes. I'll be back for my final thoughts. Alright, so here it is, my attempt at Korean makeup. I'm not sure how big eyelashes are in K-beauty, but I think it just ties the look together. Super cute. Definitely get it if you want a natural palette, like an everyday one. I do not really like this shimmer shade. It's very glittery and just falls out everywhere. Do not get this. This was sent to me for free, so like, you know, I would love to give these all great reviews, but this is just, I would never use this again. I do not really like it that much. I'm not sure if it's cheap. Like, if it's really cheap, then you could go for it and play around with it. I definitely use it on its own, like just like on your bare lid and just kind of like put it on. Would not put it on top of shadow because it just breaks and, you know, messes up the shadow underneath. As for the sunscreen, you know, it's just sunscreen. How bad can it be? It's probably great. And the cleansing oil, I could try it out. I have some like glitter, like leftover marks from the concealer, and maybe I'll just put some eyeliner on the back of my hand too, and I'll just tell you how it is. There's like foundation on this part, so let's see how this works. It smells good. Okay, so let's see. It does pretty good. You can't see any of the concealer and foundation, the eyeshadow, eyeliner is all gone. This works. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you Stylevana for sending me these 4 Korean beauty products, and they're all linked down below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!